Welcome to Lomas de Cabo Roy. Again, just a couple of kilometers from the beach. All of the properties you are seeing are very close to the beach, and this one in particular is just a couple of kilometers. And we are standing outside of this luxury villa. It's a smaller complex consisting of 4 villas in total, all of them with similar layout, private swimming pool, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And of course, all of the properties are south facing, which means you have sun on the property all day long. As you can see, the sun is shining directly to me, to the property, to the swimming pool, which is important. So you can be here relaxing all day long, having your perfect property home. The prices is starting from just 600,000 euros. So now we are going to have a look at the property. If you are interested, this might be the perfect opportunity for your next investment property or your new holiday home. Now, let's have a look. So here we have the balcony outside of the property. You can see it's perfect place for a little al fresco dinner just under the shade, or at least in the outside, getting a little bit of sun on you. You have the swimming pool perfectly located right next to it. So it's very nice and open, and you get that open feeling when you see the property. This is installed for us to living the Spanish lifestyle, having a little siesta. We are coming directly into the open kitchen area. The property has an open floor plan, which means the kitchen is open, connected directly into the living room. And as you can see, nice and modern, high standard for everything in this property. And the details is really good. If you can see this marble worktop, which gives that edge and that modern feeling to it. This property has, of course, high quality materials in the whole property. A really nice property, and I like also the design that comes with the property. White goods integrated. This one particularly is Johnson, very good brand. And you have also a lot of storage room with this property. Integrated kitchen, of course. And then you also have directly here a little washing room and a room to storage and have some washing machine and everything you need. And for this property, when you're cooking some food, the ventilation fan is just up there. So you can also get like the directly from the cooking. You have a nice dining table connected to the kitchen, which is good. And also with the glassing, so you almost get that feeling that you're sitting outside eating. And it's very illuminated, this property. And now we are continuing to see the rest of the house. The living room is here. This is the living room, open feel from the property. Very nice and beautiful living room. Also connected directly into the bedroom. This is the bedroom on the ground floor. Also have an ensuite bathroom with it. The bedroom is spacious, integrated wardrobe, of course, so you can storage all your clothes. Nice with an ensuite bathroom, and this is the perfect if you have guests or don't want to go up the stairs. It's always nice and clever with a bedroom on the ground floor. And of course, you also have directly access to the balcony and the terrace from the bedroom. So first thing in the morning, you can open up and have a little dip just outside when you wake up. That's the perfect moment to wake up and start the day with a fresh little dip on the swimming pool. Now we are going to see the rest of the property and the solarium, which is my favorite part. Let's have a look. This is the second bedroom, and it also has access directly to the solarium. This is one of the best part of the house, as you can see. South facing, sun all day on the solarium, nice and spacious. And it also has a bigger part up here. Nice and big, South facing, you have view, you can even see the sea from here. You can see the swimming pool, and it's perfect for some sunbathing and just the perfect place to relax. So if this property might seem interesting for you, then schedule a call with me down below, clicking the link in the description, or contact me on WhatsApp. The prices are from just 600,000 euros, including furniture, white goods, air condition installed in the property. Everything as it is, it's key ready, so once you reserve it, you can move in. The properties are brand new, exclusive luxury houses, very close to the sea, just a couple of kilometers to the beach. You have some supermarkets just in the neighborhood. Prices started from 600,000. Depending on the plots, it goes a little bit up because the other plots are a little bit bigger. If you're interested, schedule a call with me. If you buy directly from me, you will get exclusive discount on this property. So make sure to click the link down below, schedule a call with me, and I'll give you a nice discount on this property. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also I'll see you in the next video.